So my predictions on the property market, particularly in the Queensland and Brisbane market over the next 1 to 3 years, is essentially, I believe firmly that the market's going to continue to explode, especially for the next 1 to 3 years. The reason why I think that is because right now in 2022, the market is going absolutely insane. There's more buyers than there is properties for sale. So there's a lot of scarcity out there in terms of the stock that's available. Further to that, Brisbane's still very affordable, even though the market has jumped up a lot. It's very hot at the moment, and yes, prices in some areas have jumped up like 40-50% in the last 12 to 18 months, which is insane. Like I've seen properties go from 300 to 500 in the last 12 months. As an example. In the grand scheme of things, from my personal opinion, just logically, if we compare Brisbane to Sydney and Melbourne, other major capital cities like that, where you've got 2, 3, 4 million plus people, it's still very affordable. It's still very affordable in the grand scheme of things. It's still affordable when you look at the interest rates as well. Even the interest rates are about 3%. You can still pick up houses within the metro areas of Brisbane, houses, townhouses, units, etc., between 200 to literally 450, 200k to 450, which is extremely cheap. The exact same thing in states such as Sydney, Melbourne would be double, triple the price. So the rents are still relatively good. Obviously the market's gone up so much that the yields have started to slowly deflate. As an example, we used to pick up houses for like $330 and they used to rent out for like $420. Now the same house is like $420, $450, but you still can get those good rental yields. Townhouses, the yields have probably gone down between 1% to 2%. Houses, about the same thing. But the reason why I believe it's going to continue to explode the next 1 to 3 years is because to me, there's no sign of this slowing down. I believe areas like Sydney and Melbourne will slow down and have already started to slow down as now it's in obviously 2022, but Brisbane still has the affordability factor, and you've got the highest population growth in terms of people moving to Queensland than any other state, and you've got more infrastructure as well going in as well. So hope that helps, and I'll see you in the next video.